Introduce features. Interest for Increkid 3000PSI electric pressure washer, 1.8 GPM power washer, 1800 watt high pressure cleaner machine with 5 nozzles, brush, soap bottle. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Powerful 1600 watt motor generates max 3000 psi at 1.8 GPM to tackle heavy-duty cleaning jobs more efficiently. Electric power washer has equipped 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 degree, 15 degrees, 25 degree, 40 degrees, 60 degrees, and is providing 5 different kinds of pressure-strong water stream. High press washer comes with 2 large wheels and a portable handle. Convenient design can help you move it to everywhere you want to clean. Ideal's pressure cleaning solution is provided by this water pressure washer, car washer, pressure cleaner, power wash machine for all types of vehicles, cars, SUVs, ATVs, boats, RVs, home driveways, decks and etc. It replaces the original cleaning tools with a high-quality power cleaning machine and is convenient and saves cleaning time. If you want to get full highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.